right here, SOUN, support at 625. You see it? Support at 625, needs to hold above. Looking bearish above 625 because this was the double top area. Do you see it? Okay, good. As long as we can stay up there. Otherwise, stop just below it because it can't hold. SMCI, this is a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. 5 to 7 candle rule. Be careful on SMCI on the 1 minute. If you're looking for entering, remember the 5 to 7 candle rule. If it climbs that many in a row, look for a pullback. Did the same thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pullback. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pullback. Everybody see it? Well, it stair-stepped down and stopped. So this is bullish here. This actually is a setup for a move to the upside. See it? You had stair-step down, which is bearish. It found support right here at 805.67. Spring-loaded back up. An engulfing candle right here, showing that you were getting a possible reversal. If this can break this 807.40, this is off to the races, back to new high day again. NVIDIA, do you guys see here? Now, do you see how your instincts would have been you want to buy a put here? Wrong. Support, setup, upside, check for new high day. You guys saw that in real time, yes? Let's look at Soxel. Soxel's got support right here at 46-ish, right? That's why it keeps dancing down here with the devil with the pale moonlight. Everybody seeing this? This is support.
Yep.
Plain as day, support. Look at right here. Look at your L2. See everybody sitting at 45.99, 5,000 orders? Support. That's what you want to see. Everybody see it? 4598. Look at the 5,000 sitting there. Then you got one at 4588. It needs to stay above 46. 46 is your champion area for support. Rex, you got your hand up. Go ahead. If it breaks 46, you're going to pull down. As soon as you see them go green, Soxel's going to fly because it wants to break new high. 46 is support. 46 is support. It keeps showing you. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles, all support. Everybody see it? Yes? Doesn't get any more support than that, does it? Nope. SOXL, new high day.
Hey, Coach.
Hey.